I did my little short video on this little step and my improvements that I was really happy with in my welds. It would have really helped if I had shown you what I was doing yesterday. So that plate is what I did today. Yesterday, I built this. And those were the welds I was doing. There, and then here. And this. So all this stuff I made yesterday. And I built a TIG torch over here. And then this hook. So I went from welding that yesterday to getting results like this, and this. Today. So I'm just really happy with that because I'm not, the things I'm working on are going to be a lot like this, just really simple things. This here is basically going to be a foot pedal. For my bandsaw. It's gonna go on the bottom. It's gonna go on the bottom, so that I can step on that, and so that the bandsaw doesn't fall over. So, yep, I'm very happy. Okay, I just figured that would help put it in perspective. Thank you very much.